your dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it. Alright, y'all, we're gonna give y'all a quick room tour of our room at the Home2 Suites. This is the 1-bedroom suite we're staying in, and we're in room 2. So we'll walk in. We got Cadence at the door. Say, hey man, what's up? It was his first birthday yesterday, 1 year old, 8/24. So happy birthday, Cade. So you come in, you come to the right, you got the refrigerator. See, we got a few things on top, a couple things on the inside. We got some dishes, china, whatever you want to call it. A few things in the drawers, silverware, Cade stuff, and some more utensils, spatulas and stuff. All right. As you see, the room is lived in, so excuse it if it's a little messy. You got a sink, over-the-counter microwave, food in the microwave, of course, breakfast. You got cups and things like that. In-room coffee maker, trash can, garbage disposal, all of that. Bam. All right. So then you got this little scenery right here, desk light. This actually pulls out. And look, my wife is coming through the door with some breakfast. Hey, babe. So, got TV right here. You know, some drawers. What's in here? Linen, extra linen for the bed. Of course, you see, it's a lot of light in here actually. A couple paintings on the wall. I'm sorry, I went past this table, but you got a table right there with 3 chairs. I was gonna come back to it in the end, but might as well cover it now. So you got that. This is actually a sofa bed, so it pulls out a chair over here. So then you got 2 shades. You got like the sheer right here that kind of rolls up when you pull it up like that. And we have a view of the pool in the front. Palm trees, mountains in the back. Nice. So then we come in here, go this way. We're gonna go right. This is our room. You know, some more drawers and stuff. Cadence diapers are in there. Ample space, another TV with a remote. Like I said, the room's lived in, so you will see clothes and suitcase. Excuse that. This is pretty much the closet space for this room. It's just like a curtain, but it does have its own light and everything. Light switch for that is right here to cut that on. It's also a light switch for that by the door right there. Oh, by the way, the living room and the bedroom has its own thermostat, so that's good to know. Same thing with the curtains, or the shears, I should say, whatever you want to call them, blinds. Chair over there. Ample plugs, as you see, 2 USB and 2 regular plugs, a clock. Cadence Build-A-Bear for his first birthday. More plugs with a lamp, a full-length mirror. What's going on, y'all? And then you got the bathroom. You come in, you got a nice shower, pretty good, pretty decent. Good pressure, good water heat as well. It's not bad at all. Under the cabinet, this doesn't open, but this one does. You know, another mirror, sink, toilet, and then it also comes back out to the front, so you go in 2 ways, from the bedroom and from the living room area. And that's pretty much the room tour of our room. They got some great breakfast. Ooh, you got blueberry muffins. So, I will catch y'all later.